Hello and welcome back to Life Skills Hacks. Today, I want us to hack something together. It is about one of the major and fundamental principles towards wealth creation. In economics, they tell us some of the qualities of money or the characteristics of money. And that is divisible, it is scarce, it is, and all those stuff. But the two things from the characteristics of money that are the fundamentals to wealth creation is what we'll talk about today, which is money circulates. That's one of the characteristics, right? It circulates, and that money can also easily multiply. So money circulates, it can multiply. These are very critical to understand if you want to go on the path of wealth creation. Now, so it is left of you to do with those principles or characteristics of money. Go out there and practice them. So when they say money circulates, it means that money goes around. You pick your salary, you buy something, then it moves out from you. The next person buys something, it moves out. That's circulation. And if you then want to catch money, you also need to establish a trap that can catch money, so that when money is circulating, it will fall into your trap and you catch it. Okay? And what is this trap? It is business. It is entrepreneurship. Anything that you can make and sell, anything that you can buy and sell, anything that you can produce and sell is a money catching trap, because it will follow the principle of money as a circulator. Okay? Then it moves. You're selling shoes, somebody comes, have need for shoe, and then they buy. So the money circulates from them and comes into your hands. So that's one of the ways towards wealth creation. But also remember that this circulation principle should tell you that you ought to also be disciplined with money. If not, when it circulates into your hands, it will circulate out. So those who are able to make sure that the money that circulates in stays are the people who are able to create wealth. Okay? You either let it stay and let it do what it can do best. That is, it multiplies. So if you are putting it in an account into an interest-bearing account, and then you're getting some small interest every month, that is money multiplying. It's coming. It's dripping in little by little, and with time, it becomes big money. Okay? So those who are able to let it stay and use it for what it can do best, that's investment. Okay? Circulation of money is ability to multiply. Understanding these two principles are the bedrock, the fundamentals towards wealth creation. Okay? So go read about how money circulates and do your own research about how the many ways that money can multiply. So when you have this knowledge, when you do your research and you have this knowledge, then you are on a right pedestal, creating the fundamentals towards wealth creation. Okay? Hope you have learned something from this video. Go out there and start now. Thank you for watching. Bye.